Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about the OPPO F21s Pro 5G smartphone in the color Dawnlight Gold. Let me tell you more about it. This smartphone runs on the fantastic Android 11 operating system. The phone boasts an unbelievable 8GB RAM and a whopping 128GB internal memory. It also features a wonderful AI triple camera setup with 64+2+2MP camera with a micro lens. Take incredible selfies with its amazing 32MP front camera equipped with its flagship Sony IMX709 sensor. The phone features a beautiful 6.43-inch FHD Plus AMOLED punch-hole display and an ultra-slim retro design with an orbit light for notifications. Enjoy your phone all day and then some with its powerful 4500 mAh battery that features 33-watt Super VOOC charging. This smartphone comes with an expandable memory of 1TB. With this, it also has an extremely handy dual SIM and micro SD slot.